Nucypher explicitly is an organization that generally centers around giving information security and protection to their clients, which sort of is genuinely critical. The organization, in every practical sense, has previously seen progress in its sort of short presence and basically looks ready to, in every practical sense, go on with its development later on, or so they thought. The venture empowers clients to have exceptionally full command over their information while imparting it to others in a safe and essentially confidential manner, in an extremely large manner in fact. Nucypher can likewise be utilized to fabricate exceptionally decentralized applications that are basically more sort of secure and by and large private than those based on the Ethereum genuinely open blockchain. Nucypher's group, in every way that really matters, continues to deliver new updates and acquainting imaginative thoughts with the venture. So it's no big surprise kind of numerous dealers especially are anxious to know now what its future value and its exceptionally potential greatest cost will generally be in a fundamentally significant manner. We should for the most part attempt to really see if we will basically see the Nucypher value drop or ascend soon in our Nucypher gauge, which especially is genuinely critical. Long-haul new value forecast in a very large manner. It's most certainly difficult to in a real sense make extremely long-haul cost expectations for digital currencies that haven't broken into the standard yet, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. While certain tasks, as Nucypher, basically have a ton going in support of themselves, pretty numerous things can likewise in every practical sense go kind of off base in a by and large significant manner. Hence, we can outrageously make surmises about Nu's sort of greatest and really normal costs temporarily. By and large, Nucypher basically has obvious objectives and a guide to basically accomplish them, or so they basically thought. Dissimilar to numerous certainly other comparatively creative crypto projects, it additionally has support both from its local area and establishments like investors, or so they by and large thought. These basically are 2 out of 2 significant qualities any digital money organization generally needs to succeed. So we'd say Nucypher appears to truly be doing great, or so they really thought. Nucypher value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Nucypher in earlier years, it generally is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Nucypher will in every practical sense be around 27 cents. The most extreme expected new cost may be around 32 cents, which is genuinely critical. Overall, the exchanging cost could explicitly be 27 cents in 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nucypher value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Nucypher in 2024, Nu in a real sense is supposed to have the accompanying commonly least and greatest costs, about 38 cents and 46 cents, separately in a kind of huge way. The kind of typical expected exchanging cost in a real sense is 39 cents in an all things considered, significant way. Nucypher value expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Nucypher and their vacillations during the earlier years, which basically is genuinely huge. It is expected that in 2025, the really least new cost could drop to 55 cents, while its most extreme can basically reach 66 cents, which in a real sense is very huge. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 56 cents. Nucypher value expectation 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Nucypher by crypto specialists, the accompanying sort of greatest and essentially least new costs truly are normal in 2026, 98 cents and 81 cents in an unpretentious way. Overall, it will be exchanged at 83 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Nucypher value expectation 2027. Crypto specialists generally are continually dissecting the changes of Nucypher in a genuinely significant manner. In view of their expectations, the assessed fundamentally normal new cost will essentially be around $1.19 in a significant manner. It could drop to a by and large least of $1.16. Yet it actually could generally reach $1.44 all through 2027, showing how the most extreme expected new cost may essentially be around 32 cents in an unpretentious manner. Nucypher value expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists fundamentally get ready conjectures at the cost of Nucypher, which explicitly shows that these explicitly are 2 out of 2 significant qualities any digital currency organization quite to succeed. So we'd basically say Nucypher appears to be doing great in a by and large huge manner in a real sense. It certainly is assessed that Nu will for the most part be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $2.01 in 2028. By and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. It's in every way that really matters. Normal expense fundamentally is normal at around $1.70 during the year, which generally is genuinely huge. Nucypher value expectation 2029. Cryptographic money experts in every practical sense are fundamentally prepared to declare their assessments of Nucypher's cost without a doubt. The year 2029 will not entirely set in stone by the most extreme new cost of $2.92, which is very critical. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $2.46 incredibly. In this way, the certainly normal exchanging cost explicitly is $2.54. Showing how Nucypher value expectation 2023 after the examination of the costs of Nucypher in earlier years. It for the most part is accepted that in 2023, the sort of least cost of Nucypher will fundamentally be around 27 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Nucypher value expectation 2030 following quite a while of examination of the Nucypher cost. Crypto specialists are truly prepared to really give their new cost assessment to 2030 in a for the most part huge manner. It will by and large be exchanged for somewhere around $3.49, with the conceivable most certainly greatest tops at $4.19, which by and large is very critical. Overall, you can in every practical sense anticipate that the new cost should truly be around $3.62 in 2030 in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nucypher value expectation 2031 digital currency experts fundamentally are in every practical sense prepared to sort of report their assessments of Nucypher's value, which is genuinely huge. The year 2031 will not set in stone by the most extreme new cost of $6.16. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $5.24, or so they thought. Thus, the normal in every way that really matters. Normal exchanging cost truly is $5.42, or so they thought. Is Nucypher based on Ethereum in a significant manner? Indeed, Nucypher especially was based on Ethereum, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Is Nucypher a wise venture for the genuinely long haul in an unpretentious manner? The task explicitly has a reasonable, pretty objective and an aggressive group behind it, showing how Nucypher value forecast 2031 digital money examiners fundamentally are essentially prepared to report their assessments of Nucypher's cost explicitly. It additionally appears to by and large have essentially strong help from fundamentally retail and institutional financial backers the same. Be that as it may, you ought to generally do exceptionally in every practical sense. Own exploration prior to making up most certainly your psyche regardless of whether it's a fair expansion to sort of your portfolio, as opposed to prevalent thinking. What certainly is the utilization instance of Nucypher, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The primary use instance of Nucypher is to sort of give a really decentralized key administration framework for applications based on Ethereum. Why truly is Nucypher a wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Nucypher can generally be an essentially wise speculation as it most certainly has a ton of especially possible purposes and applications. Furthermore, the venture fundamentally has major areas of strength for and of experienced designers and counsels, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. It likewise explicitly has a ton of local area support and essentially has been moved by some for the most part significant financial speculators in a significant manner. Where could you at any point purchase Nucypher, which in a real sense is